Hey y'all, today we're going to show you how we make our chicken fajitas in our electric pressure cooker, and we're going to take you on a little trip to Bearizona in Arizona. All having a whole lot of fun.
So cute! It's just a bear eating lettuce.
Hi, welcome back to another edition of Cooking Chris's Dishes with the Good Old Boy, where we cook up dishes straight from recipes.crock.com, which is my beautiful wife's cooking blog. And today we're going to make some chicken fajitas. Chicken fajitas, that is. But before we go on, I think we need to explain something extremely important. You see this right here? That is the sticker I earned for doing the dishes. That's right, because dishes are rough. But anyway, we're going to make a really easy, really quick, simple dish today, and it's chicken fajitas. Who doesn't like a little Mexican? I know I do. His name's Jose. He lives down the street.
Michael.
And also, we're going to have a little party here, so let's get rid of the West. And go to the Southwest. Oh, wait. It's
What did you
stuck on my head.
just you flung a pom-pom.
Oh, yeah. Addie put that in there, said it made it look like a cat toy. Anyway, honey!
Oh my.
So what you need for these festive fiesta chicken fajitas, that's what we should call them, that's what I'll call them anyway, is chicken, because you can't have chicken fajitas without chicken. So we got 3 pounds of chicken breast tenders down in our electric pressure cooker. I think the recipe says to have 2.5 to 3 pounds, or 2 to 2.5 pounds. We're hungry. We're going to do 3 pounds, and that's what was in the bag. So, also you need 15 ounces. It's like a 15-ounce can of tomatoes with, like, say, cilantro and lime. The little store that we got up the road here didn't have any of that. So we're using our own. We're using our Rayos. We're using 15 ounces of it, and then we're going to spice it up as we see fit. You also want to have a packet of taco seasoning. We make our own, I think. Do you have a recipe for that?
We just kind of threw this one together because we usually have our the stuff we buy from our spice company, but I apparently forgot to pack it, so we just had to throw it together. So we just Googled a recipe and threw together an envelope.
Get an envelope. Makes life a lot easier.
Yes.
You also want to have some bell peppers. I've got 3 bell peppers here. I got a red, I got a green, and I got a yellow. I've also got a sweet onion that I have cut up into strips. And I'm just going to tell you right now, when you're watching television shows and there's a beautiful wedding, like, you know, the one from The Office, I swear it was the peppers that was making me cry.
Oh, you mean the onions?
Or the onions, too. I'm hooked on that show. Anybody ever binge watch that show? It's driving my wife nuts because all I want to do is quote things from The Office, and it's driving her crazy.
One quick note about the bell peppers. If you're doing it slow cooker style, you can cut them how you would normally for fajitas. Pressure cooker, we like to cut them a little bit thicker so that they can hold up to the pressure.
Yep. You also want to have 3 cloves of garlic, or do what I do. And we take our minced garlic, if I can get the lid off, and we do this. Meh, it's about 3 cloves. Maybe. We love garlic, so we're fine with that. And also the juice of 1 lime. So I will go ahead and dance a little bit for you. And we'll just juice up that lime. And I'll put that right over my chicken. Lime gives such a good flavor to everything. And then at the end, I wouldn't mind just taking another little bit of lime, put over it.
Oh, yeah. We like the lime in
But
this
it's Mexican food. You make it however you want. We're doing it low carb, so we're not going to do it with rice. If you want beans and rice, I don't blame you. In fact, I might even join you. But this, oh, those limes smell so good. 1 lime. My peppers and my onions. Just put them in there. No certain order. Just put them on the top. Except for that piece. You do not get that, Octavius.
No.
No. Throw stuff on the floor while you're at it.
No, I do.
Make sure it's a knife. Just kidding. That didn't go in me. Thank goodness. Our 15 ounces of sauce.
Diced tomatoes. We just weren't prepared.
We got the chunky sauce, so it'll work as diced tomatoes. And then our taco seasoning. That was it.
That's it.
That's it. So now what you want to do is irritate Kim.
Oh, you be nice.
I'm going to make sure I clean off my top there a little bit. Put my lid on. Make sure it's going to vent. Not vent. You don't want it to vent.
Seal.
You want it to seal. And then, since we're using some kind of semi-frozen chicken breast tenders, we want it a little bit longer. I think on the site it says to cook for 8 minutes. We're going to do this for 10 since we're going from frozen. But seriously, in 10 minutes.
Yeah. We're not totally frozen. It's partially thawed. So that's why we're going for 10 minutes.
So this is our Crock-Pot Express electric pressure cooker. It's newer to us. It's kind of like the Instant Pot. It's got lots of buttons that I've never used before.
Is this you asking me what to push?
Yes.
Okay. Since we're not going to do manual, we're going to do the poultry setting.
Poultry.
See, poultry. Which, for those of you using manual, you can just set it to high. And, what do you...
It goes to 15.
It won't let you go down. Okay. Then
I stopped it.
Okay. Well, if it won't let you go down, because most people aren't putting chicken tenders in there, let's try and see if it'll let us do the soup setting, which is also, we'll put it under high pressure.
Soup.
Yep.
30 minutes.
Now go down. It'll let you go down. We're going down to 10.
On high.
Press the start button.
Press the start button.
There you go.
We'll see you in 10 minutes. Until then, why don't you join us on our little trip to Bearizona in Arizona in 3, 2, 1. All right. We enjoyed this part so much that we are going to go through a second time. So now we got to get our instructions from this nice guy who's going to tell us to leave our windows up. Watch this.
We're back.
Leave your windows up, leave your doors locked, don't let the bears ride in the bicycles.
How'd you know that?
Deja vu.
Again?
Yeah. Thanks, man.
See any bears in the trees?
No.
No.
Oh, don't forget to look.
We saw them fighting though, it was pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's
It's
awesome.
getting close to feeding time.
Oh.
They won't be in the trees during feeding time, but...
We'll definitely keep our windows up then.
Oh, yeah.
Because I'm delicious.
Well, I'll bet. I mean, these guys here fasted yesterday. They have to fast them once a week so that they can keep...
So they're hungry.
Right? So
I'm definitely going to keep my windows up.
So you just better be real careful with the windows.
Thanks, man.
Have a good day.
There's a guy who enjoys his job.
you think?
Just, yay!
Yeah.
This is like my dream spot to go.
You were telling me that you thought, what did you think of this compared to other like zoos and stuff?
Like much more natural, has better habitats.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
So it's like a mega zoo, huh?
Yes, it's a mega zoo. Better habitats for the animals' living purposes.
I'm taping. You can't make me not tape. Ha ha.
And we are now back from Bearizona. Did you guys have a good time? Did you? I know we did. I don't think I'd ever seen a bear, that many bears. I've seen bears like at zoos and stuff, but there was like technically in the wild, sorta. I'd never seen that many. I'd never seen a tundra wolf before. So I'd never seen a white bison. That was awesome. You know what the buffalo said to his kid when he left him at college? He said, "Bye, son." But anyway, we are now back from our adventures in Bearizona, Arizona. And we're now going to have a little fiesta here. I've already quickly released my pressure. Alright, I have already quick released the pressure from here, so all we got to do is take off the lid. Oh my goodness.
Smells
and we're
good.
going to give that a stir. Make sure all the spices mix with all of the peppers, mix with all of the onions, which mixes with all of the chicken. And it smells so good in here right now. Oh my goodness.
So easy.
Yeah, 10 minutes. Put some vegetables with some chicken, a little bit of Mexican spices, and bam! Not to take away from Emerald, call me. And I like my fajitas pretty simple. I'm a man of simple taste, so I'll take a piece of chicken. I will make sure and go from all of the colors of the rainbow of the peppers. So we got some red, we got some yellow, we got some green, we got some onion, and I do like it a little more spicy than the family does. So I'm going to take me a little bit of hot sauce. This is a new hot sauce we're trying. Let's see how that does. And then on top, we got to have some cheese. And I don't care if it's Mexican, if it's Chinese, Japanese food, American food, Italian food. I like mozzarella cheese.
Oh my goodness.
So, I'll put just a little on here right now. Watch this. And what doesn't go on the fajita goes on the floor. And Octavius gets happy. So, let's put this all together and put it where it belongs. And put it like that.
I think you might have overfilled.
I think I might have applied too much cheese.
As usual.
Never. That is hot.
Both literally
And there is no way to blow on that.
You are dropping it everywhere.
Oh, that. Oh my gosh. That is good. Ooh, found a hot sauce. When you pressure cook something like that, you could do it for 8 hours if you want to. I wouldn't blame you. In fact, I won't stop you because that's where we make our living. But if you want something quick, you're like, oh, I gotta make dinner for the family. What do we have in the fridge? Chicken, bell peppers, and onions. Oh my. That's all you need. Well, that and an electric pressure cooker. And that was 10 minutes. It's done. You'll have dinner in less than 25 minutes. And it's that good. Do you see the look on this face? That's the look of happiness. That's the look of a man who is, well, he's still hungry, but now he's hungry but satisfied. Mmm. Those peppers are perfect.
And that's also the sound of the dog being very happy because you're dropping everything on the floor.
Those peppers are perfect like that.
That's why you cut them a little
Cut them a little thick. The chicken is tender. The onions are soft. The dog got some hot sauce. Sorry about that. But that, oh yeah, let's do this again sometime. What do you say, y'all? You want to do this again sometime? Well, for those of you who subscribe, you know how that works. But if you have not become a member of the Crock Posse, all you got to do is click the subscribe button down below. I got stuff in my hands. And you'll become a member of the Crock Posse. Give this video a like if you would. And also, do what we do. And that is to laugh often.
Eat good food.
And speak life. Hasta la vista, baby. That's Spanish for bye. Oh, it feels good to sit down after doing dishes.
Oh my goodness. You know what? We need to do recordings of you washing the dishes so we can all give you big stickers for the one time you do it every few days.
Are you ready to record?
I am recording.
What?
Addie has brought a sticker to give you.
You're grounded. Go away.
Here's your sticker for doing the dishes.
Because dishes are so rough. Oh my gosh. Cooking Chris's dishes with the good old boy where we cook up. Hi, and welcome back to another edition. One more time. If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon link below.